and welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor and we are at the last week of the year. Now I know there will be many parties coming up here soon and you may need a classy appetizer to wow your guests. Well, you're in luck because today we're going to be making some vegan cocktail meatballs. Let's dive in. First, let's roughly chop half an onion and bust out our food processor. Add in your onion along with a drained can of chickpeas. Let's flavor this up with some garlic, nutritional yeast, parsley, basil, oregano, salt, and pepper. Blend it up until everything is smooth and pour it into a large mixing bowl. Add some panko breadcrumbs and begin working that into the mixture until it's combined. Now we gotta turn these into balls. I have this handy little scooper that got them the perfect size I was looking for. But if you don't, just take a pinch of it out and roll it into a ball. Place them onto a baking sheet and brush them with a little bit of olive oil before adding them to a 425-degree oven for 40 minutes. While we're waiting for the meatballs to cook up, let's work on a sauce. Get out a medium saucepan and add in ketchup, brown sugar, apple cider vinegar, and vegan Worcestershire sauce. Mix that on the heat until it begins to bubble. Then add your cooked meatballs to the sauce and evenly coat them with it. Now grab some toothpicks and let's serve this dish. Now these will definitely bring some life to your party. Now we covered these in a sweet glaze just to act as a cocktail meatball, but these will be perfect for your spaghetti meatballs too. Well, that is going to do it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Let me know what are some of your favorite appetizers down in the comments below. Like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next year on Saucy Cat. Add some Panko breadcrumbs on top.
It's Panko, not
Panko?
cow.
Okay.
It's not a cow. This is a vegan channel. It's no cows.
Add some Panko bread.
Panko!
Panko.
No cow! Cow!
Add some Panko breadcrumbs. No, I can't take it serious.